Alright, these in front of me are the Aiaiai's TMA-2 headphones, and I've been using these headphones for quite some time now. And now they're coming out with a brand new edition called the Deviation Edition for the Indian market. And I have a box of it. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we get in the box and what is so special about the Aiaiai TMA-2 Deviation Edition. Let's go. What's good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let's talk headphones. I am using the Aiaiai's TMA-2 DJ preset and the producer preset for quite some time, and I absolutely love these headphones. And the best part about the Aiaiai headphones, the whole system, is that it is a modular system. This is a DJ preset, this is a DJ preset, but this has a special Young Guru headband, and this is a producer preset, and this has a very special Bluetooth headband, which means it doesn't need any wires. And this over here is the coiled black cable, and this is the braided cable, and this is the red one, and this also has gold tips, which makes it even special. And I have all of these were purchased separately, and that is one of the best advantages of buying these headphones. Is if the headband breaks, or if the speaker unit stops working, or if the cable goes bad, you can actually replace individual parts instead of just scrapping the entire headphones. That happens a lot of times. If the headphones break, you don't have an option to repair them yourself, or if a part breaks, they don't sell the parts. That's not the case with Aiaiai. The Aiaiai website does a great job of showing you all the different parts separately, and they can allow you to choose your own headphones. You can customize your headphones the way you like it. I'll leave a link to their website down in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check it out for yourself. Now, coming back to the purpose of this video. In this video, as I said, we're going to unbox the TMA-2 Deviation Edition. So let's get rid of what I have here already. These are my personal headphones. I've been using them, as I said, for quite some time. I want to keep them aside carefully. And now let's go ahead and unbox this. And by the way, these were sent to me from ProMusicals in Chennai. They are the official distributor of these headphones here in India. When we bought them earlier, we had to import them from Denmark. These headphones are built in Denmark. But now, if you're interested to pick these up, these can be picked up from Chennai. That's right. So ProMusicals. If you guys are interested to pick these up, I'll leave a link to their website and their contact down in the description. And they pack their products quite well. Alright, got rid of the bubble wrap. Let's get rid of this other packaging as well. I don't want to scratch the box, so I'm being a little careful about this. Alright, there you have it. That was difficult. Okay, so there you have it. They've also put it in a different cover. Get rid of the cover now. And there you have it. Alright, this is how the box looks. Quite similar to how I remember it. That over there is my TMA-2 box. And what do you have on top of the box? Absolutely nothing. So these I believe are boxes which they will use according to your preset. So they might, whatever you choose in the preset, they will put it in. But when you buy the Deviation Edition, this is what you get, and this is what you get here in India. Let's unbox and find out. All right, moment of truth. Nice. So keeping this aside, keeping the knife aside. The first thing that you get in the box is a pouch, and this is not just any other pouch. This is the Deviation pouch. Check this out. Very nice. I like the quality on it, and the zipper. Wow, check out the size on the zipper. Wow. Nice, very strong, and it's 2-layered, which is a good thing. So you can easily take it out of your pouch. Let's keep the pouch aside. Next thing what you get in the box is the CO2 cable, which is the coiled cable, just like this one or this one. So you get one cable, and you get another cable, which is the straight cable, which means it's not going to be coiled. So you get 2 cables. Then what else do you get? You get the on-ear earpads, 1 pair of earpads, which are the on-ear style. Then you have the over-ear earpads. Now all these have a code name like E78, E79, and these are the preset numbers that you can go ahead to their website and check out for yourself. And after that is this, the SO1 all-round speaker unit, and this is the speaker unit. In the Deviation Edition, you get the SO1 speaker unit. And obviously the H79 headband. This is the Deviation Edition special headband. That's pretty much it. That's all you get in the box. So let's keep the box aside. There you go. These are all the parts. 2 cables, 1 speaker unit, 2 earpads, and a headband. That's all you get in the box, guys. Now, this is the charm of being modular, which means that when you get it like this in different parts, and you build your own headphones. And as I said earlier, if one of the things stop working, like if the cable broke or the headband broke or whatever, you can just buy that one part and they will ship it to you just like this. So there you have it. Now, can we go ahead and make these headphones for ourselves? Let's go. What do I open first? I want to open the headband first. Let's go ahead and open the headband. Just a special mention, these covers, they tell me on their website that these are made out of recyclable material, which means that when you're buying these headphones, you're saving the environment. Yeah. All right, so taking them off the cover. Wow, there you can see that they have the Deviation branding written over there. Coming up next, let's open on-ear earpads. Taking it out of the pouch. Nice. Silica gel. Now these earpads are the on-ear style. We have the other pair of earpads. Now let's open that as well. Wow. And these are your over-the-ear style earpads. Check out the size of that. On ear, over the ear, which means it will cover your entire ear. Nice. Let's keep this aside as well. The speaker unit. This is the SO1 all-round preset. Let's take that out of the pouch now. Can you see that? It says speaker units on top. Cable. It says on the pouch as well. Nice. Wow, I really like the finish on the Aiaiai headphones. The finish on this is matte black, and that is one of the best things about the headphones, and that is that there is no flashy branding. I really enjoy that. All right, these are your speaker units, and this is how they look. Very nice. Let's take both of them out. There you have it. The SO1. 2 sets for left and for the right. Let's unbox the cable now. This is the straight cable or the coiled cable. Yeah, this is the coiled cable, just like the one I have here. I really like the quality on these cables, guys. Now trust me, this cable is at least 5 years old, and I'm not kidding, and thank God it's been working very well so far. And this is the exact same cable. Now this is the coiled cable. Cable number 1. Then we have the next cable, which is the straight cable. Let's take that off the box. Now this is what makes it very special. Nice. And by the way, you must know that this particular cable happens to be a reflective cable. This is not the coiled one, and this is the special edition cable which comes with the deviation model. If you're using the deviation headphones, I'm pretty sure you will also use this cable because this is reflective. Every time somebody clicks your picture, these will reflect. And very nice. I like that it comes with a little place to hold your adapter, and also your headphone jack is bent in a 90-degree angle, which is a good thing. That's how you fit that in, and there you have it. Now, that's all you get in the box: the headband, the deviation headband, the coiled cable, the reflective straight cable, 2 ear cups, which is one is the over the ear and one is on the ear, and these are your speaker units. All these parts are in the box separately. Now, how do you make these headphones? It's very simple. You don't need any tools whatsoever. All you need to do is that you need to look for one of the headphones which will have this red insert. Let me show you. I'm sure you can see that little red insert there. Yeah, so all you need to do is connect that with the red insert of this headphone band. So connect this, insert it, you don't need any tools, and then just connect it on the top here. And then twist. That's it. It'll stay there. Then connect the other side. This doesn't matter. You can just connect it the way you like it. Insert it and then connect it. And that's it. And that's how you connect your speaker units. Up next, you decide which earpads you like. If you like the on-ear style, or if you like the over-the-ear style. Okay, now the reason why they give you 2 different types of earpads is because these 2 different earpads actually create a different kind of sound. That's right. Now the on-ear ones or over-ear ones, actually these are the over-ear ones and these are the on-ear ones. The over-ear ones are when you connect it and when you wear them, your ear is completely inserted and you can use this for production. And when you're DJing, you can use these ones. These are very bass heavy, so which means when it's on the ear, it's very intense and it's very close to your ear, and this is what will create that complete bass heavy punchy sound out of the speaker units. And this, as I said, is when you're trying to produce music or if you're just listening as a casual listener, this will really be helpful because these are over the ear, very quite comfortable as well. When it's over the ear, what it also does, it creates a flat response sound, which is very good for production. So all you need to do to connect these earpads onto the headphones is you pick one up. I'm going to go with the DJ preset for now, and then just join the dots. There are grooves made here on the headphones. All you need to do is put that on the top and press it down. That's it. And it's very smoothly connects to the earphones. And there you have it. That is your complete package. Following with the cable, since this is a deviation edition, you would want to connect the reflective cable. Now to simply connect the cable, all you need to do is take your cable, insert it on any of the sides, insert it just like that, and once you insert it, twist it, and that will lock it in place. And there you have it. These are your deviation edition headphones from Aiaiai, and this is the package that you get. So when you're DJing, all you need to do is connect these earpads, and when you're done, when you're at your studio, just remove them, keep them aside, and you can connect your other earpads, the over-the-ear style. And that's it. And they will not fall out. Don't worry about that. See? Once you connect them, the fit, guys, the fit is perfect. I want to take a moment to appreciate the quality that you get out of these products. Guys, the quality on this product for what you pay is amazing. Trust me, these cables feel very, very good and very, very strong. As I said earlier, I've been using this for 5 years and nothing has gone wrong with it. The quality is amazing. And check out the matte black finish as well. It's beautiful, and the fact that this doesn't have any branding makes it even more better for me. I personally really like that. The leather feels really good, and when you wear them, they are very, very comfortable. Check that out. I I don't know about you, but I think they are one of the most good looking headphones that are out there, and they really look good when you're wearing them. Wow, I can't wait to use these headphones for my gig this Friday. I'm going to use these headphones now on Friday, and if you guys are interested to pick these up, these are available from ProMusicals here in India, from Chennai, and if you're from Chennai, I'm sure you can get it very easily. Otherwise, you can just order from them and they will ship it to you wherever you are. And as I said, the advantage is, what makes it so special is that only for India, they're giving the deviation pouch, a carrying pouch for your headphones, and then they're giving 2 different cables and 2 different earpads, which means that when you're DJing, you can just swap them out and use these earpads, and when you're producing, you can swap them out and use these earpads. Okay, and this is what will appeal to a lot of DJs who are also producers, or producers who are also DJs, because with one pair of headphones now you can switch the earpads, and that will change the sound signature so that you can use it for both the applications, which is DJing and producing music. And this as a package, I think, is really amazing. It's value for money. The reason why it's value for money is because you're investing in a product which will last really long, and since it's modular, which means that every time they come out with a different model or a different ear pad or a different kind of speaker unit, all you need to do is order for that speaker unit. Just take it out from your headphones just like that, unplug it just like that, and then you can replace this ear cap, or you can replace the speaker unit with the new one. And that is why it's amazing. So if you guys are interested to pick these up for yourself, you can buy them from ProMusicals here in India, and the price on it is 14,370 rupees. Give them a call. I'll leave their contact information down in the description box. Give them a call and I'm sure they will ship it to you wherever you are here in India. Alright, so there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and the first look of the TMA-2 Deviation Edition from Aiaiai. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And also, while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can click that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.